Well, hello everyone, this is Peter Brown, Focus Your Weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading into September. We are officially in meteorological fall and only a couple of weeks away from the start of official autumn. So really hard to believe that summer is really going into our rearview mirror right now. But we have some nice weather coming up again, so some nice late summer-like temperatures coming up out there. Now, starting out our period on Friday, we're going to be seeing temperatures pretty pleasant out there, very dry out there, which unfortunately is not the best news for our lawns and our water situation right now. We're going to see temperatures about 80 around there, so very pleasant out there. And then as we get towards the end of our period, getting in towards next Thursday, our average highs at this time of the year, getting towards the end of the first week of September, should be in the upper 70s to around 80, and will probably be a little bit warmer than that, probably in the mid 80s. So some nice, warm, late summer weather coming up. And of course, looking at our length of day, that keeps getting shorter and shorter as we head further towards fall. And actually, as we get into September, we lose quite a bit amount of daylight from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. So you'll definitely notice how short those days will be when we get towards the end of September. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us here in the Burlington area in terms of temperatures and precipitation. And looking at these maps, looks like we're going to be expecting a pretty average week coming up, temperature-wise and precipitation-wise as well. Unfortunately, we really need some heavy rain out there to try and get our reservoirs and rivers back up to where they should be, but it doesn't look like we're really going to be getting too much in terms of that. But at least the temperatures aren't going to be quite as high as they were back in August. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up. And again, taking a look starting out our period on Friday. Again, this is the beginning of that last gasp of summer. The Labor Day weekend, temperatures are going to be very pleasant out there, around 80, very dry, nice breeze out there. Now our temperatures as we get in towards the weekend are going to start to ramp up to about 90 by the time we get again towards Sunday. But then for the last day of the holiday weekend, Labor Day itself, the temperatures are going to come crashing down by about 10 to maybe 12 degrees back into the upper 70s to around 80, so some nice, comfortable air out there. As we all head back towards work on Tuesday, we're going to be seeing temperatures pretty average again for this time of the year, right around 80, and then we're going to be bumping those temperatures back up into the mid-80s by the time we get to Thursday, and maybe some spot chances of showers on Sunday and Monday, but really doesn't look like much at all out there in terms of helping us in terms of our drought. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.